Suppose you wanted to determine the speed of the object at 5 seconds. So we have a position versus time graph. So you go to the 5-second mark and you identify that point on the graph and you put a dot. And then you use a ruler and you draw a line tangent to 2 points on either side of that original 5-second mark. So you have to use your ruler and line it up with 2 points that are on either side. Draw a line in, and that is a line that represents the slope of the graph at 5 seconds, which is where we're interested in determining the speed of the particle. Once you have identified that line and drawn that line in, then you have to find the slope of that line. So you pick 2 points on the line that are good points where you can identify exactly the location. So I picked a point right here at 0.5 seconds and 9 meters, and then I picked another point up here which is the 4-second mark and the 13-meter mark. So in order to find the slope of this line, you have to figure out the run, which is basically the distance between the 2 points on the horizontal axis, so 4 seconds and 0.5, and then you have to find the rise, which is the difference in the vertical position. So from 13 meters and 9 meters, the difference is 4. So to calculate the slope of the graph, you do the rise over the run, which is 4 meters over 3.5 seconds. And whatever that number is, that would give you the slope. And that is the velocity or the speed of the particle at 5 seconds. If you wanted to find the speed at, say, 13 seconds over here, you'd have to go to that point on the graph, you'd have to draw your lines, and then you'd have to draw a new slope line in here and calculate its slope based on the line that you draw.